With a fully stripped interior, there aren't really all that many parts and details to be added to it, so I just got to work. All of the parts were cut out from the sprues, cleaned up a bit, and then a couple coats of primer were applied to it as well. I wasn't really sure what color I wanted to use for the interior, so I went over to my Patreon page, asked my Patreon supporters what they thought, and they came up with a couple different ideas, and one struck me, which was white. I think it looks really clean, and with a race car, a lot of the interiors are white, and the rest of the body is painted or wrapped in a different color. So I decided to go white with the main interior piece, and also for all the roll cage pieces as well. The steering wheel and dashboard got painted in a textured black along with the seat, and also some red to spice it up a little bit. A couple additional colors were also added to the interior. I added some silver to the steering wheel and also as a base for some of the buttons, which will get another color further on in the video. With the main interior now being painted white, it is pretty much clean all the way, and you lose a bit of the detail. Now in race cars, the interiors are stripped, and since this is a BMW, it's probably been used really heavily on the road first and then stripped into a track car. At least that's my philosophy behind this build, so the interior needed to be a bit dirty as well. I laid down a nice layer of Panelline accent color and then wiped most of it off while it was still wet to just get a bit of a dirty haze over it, but not get too much of a dirty look all over. On the dashboard, it's pretty much stripped as well, and everything is replaced with some racing panels and a lot of switches all over the place. I have pretty much no idea what any one of these is supposed to be used for, so I just randomly started painting a couple until I was satisfied with the colors I saw all over the place. I tried looking up some reference material from the Japanese Touring Car Championship cars. Sadly, I couldn't really find any of the interior, so I just went with my gut feeling and started applying some random colors here and there, as you can see. The detailing and painting is out of the way, the decals are applied, so I can just start assembling it all. I'm just using some super glue to put it all together. Once all of the parts were glued together, I was pretty happy with the result. The interior is a bit dirty, but not too dirty. It's still a race car, so it can have a bit of dirt on it. Now I decided to add some seat belts in the end. I have shown this a couple times before and made a couple tutorial videos on it as well. So if you want to know more about that, just check out my channel. The tutorial section has a couple seatbelt tutorials. I didn't show it in this video as, again, I've mentioned that I've done it before in others. So if you want to see how it's done, check out those videos.